Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube creative studio. This is the third part of my project Temperature Snake, and today I would like to show you how to end or how to finish snake's tail. First of all, let me please thank you very much for your comments, for your messages. I'm so happy you already started with your snake. You created your temperature scale, you created the snake's head, and you continue with the body. And one of my friends asked me how to finish the snake, as she creates only the normal snake, not the temperature snake, and she would like to finish it for her kids. So here I am. First of all, choose the color of the tail. I decided to use the same color as I used for the head, so this is this light blue color. I will have the head and the tail with the same color, but the choice is up to you, definitely. And then make sure that you have 30 single crochet stitches around. If you have more, let's make decrease if needed. So join 2 stitches together like this. Okay, so make decrease if needed, just to have 30 single crochet stitches. I will not do it because I have 30 stitches already, and we will do decrease in next round. Okay, so here I am. I just finished round number 1, and let's start round number 4. Again, I'm working in spiral rounds, and I will do decrease after 4 single crochet stitches. So let's make 1, 2, 3 and 4 stitches. Now insert the hook into the next stitch, front loop, and into the next stitch, front loop again. So we have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull yarn through 2, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 to finish our single crochet stitch. Now 1, 2, 3 and 4, and let's make decrease again. So join 2 single crochet stitches together, 1 and 2. Perfect, join them together. This is it, and let's continue. 1, 2, 3, 4 and decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4 and decrease. So join 2 single crochets together in front loops only. This is it, and I will meet you at the end of this round, and you will have 25 single crochet stitches around. Now I will add 2 rounds with no increase. Okay, so you can work on round 3 and 4. Just place 1 single crochet in each stitch around, and you will have 25 single crochet stitches in each round. Okay, so round number 3 and round number 4, 1 single crochet in each stitch around. I will meet you again once I finish round number 4, and we will make increase in next round. Okay, so we have 4 rounds finished, and now let's start round number 5. I will make 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3, and then join 2 single crochets together. Again, work in front loops only. Perfect. Now 1, 2, 3, and join 2 single crochets together. So at the end of this round you will have minus 5 stitches, which means that you will have 20 single crochet stitches. Okay, again 1, 2, and 3, and join 2 single crochets together. Okay, once you finish round number 5, work round number 6, 7 and 8, 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, so I have now 8 single crochets. I add 3 rounds without increase, so round number 6, 7 and 8, and let's make increase in round number 12. I will start with 2 single crochet stitches at the beginning, and now just let me remind you that it's time to stuff your snake's tail a bit. So just make sure you stuff the snake's tail enough, as we will have only 15 single crochet stitches once we finish this round. So I think now it's time to add more stuffing. Join 2 single crochets together, and again work 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and again join 2 single crochets together, 1, 2, and join them together. So at the end of this round you will have 15 single crochet stitches, and we will add 3 rounds with no increase. Okay, so it's easy to finish the tail. We do increase really slowly. Okay, so now I will just work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. If you want to make the snake's tail longer, add more rounds between decreases rounds. Okay, so now I add round number 10, 11 and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so I have 12 single crochets finished, and again I will do decrease. Okay, we can start with decrease, so join 2 single crochets together and then 1 single crochet after the decrease. Okay, it's round number 13. One single crochet and decrease. Again 1 single crochet and decrease. So at the end of this round you will have 10 single crochet stitches around, and again we will add 2, or you can add 3 rounds with no increase. So if you want to make your snake's tail longer, place 3 rounds with no increase. You see, I have the rest of colored yarn here because I will not finish my snake now. I will finish it at the end of this year, so I didn't cut the yarns. I'm just showing you how to finish the snake. So if you are about to finish your snake, please cut the other strands and hide them inside the snake's body. Okay, so I hope it's clear. So round number 14 and 15, one single crochet around. You will have still 10 single crochets, and once you are satisfied with the lengths, okay, I have 2 more rounds, you can simply join 2 single crochets together till you are at the end. Okay, join 2 single crochets together, and then 2 single crochets together, and then 2 single crochets together till you have only 1 single crochet. Then cut the yarn and hide the end inside into the snake's body. So this is it, my crochet friends. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. In case of any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can put the comment in the box below this video tutorial. You can also find me on social media, on my Facebook page, Pinterest or Instagram. I'm always there and happy to help. I'm so happy you shared with me your snakes. I'm so happy you already created your temperature scales, you chose the colors, and you started with your snake. And some of you wrote me that they are ready to start. They are waiting for the special event. I will definitely share my snake, how it's growing, how it's colored. So stay in touch. So wish you happy crocheting. Take care and bye for now, my crochet friends. Bye bye.